Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use the HTML 2 design plugin, the most efficient way to bring live web pages into Figma. To begin, open your Figma application and locate the Resources menu at the top. From there, select Plugins and search for HTML 2 design. Once found, simply click Run to launch the plugin. This powerful tool will save you countless hours by transforming existing web content into fully editable design files, ready for your creative touch. Now that the HTML 2 design plugin is open, the next step is to import your desired web page. Find the input field within the plugin interface, which is clearly labeled for a URL. Simply paste the complete web address of the live page you want to convert into this field. After pasting, click the Import button. The plugin will then work its magic, analyzing the web page structure and styles to create a fully editable Figma design on your canvas in just a few moments. Sometimes you might need to import a web page that's behind a login or in a specific interactive state. For these advanced scenarios, you'll use the companion Chrome extension. First, install the HTML 2 design Chrome extension. Then, browse to your target page, activate the extension, and capture the content. This generates a small file. Back in Figma, simply drag and drop this file directly into the open HTML 2 design plugin. This ensures you capture exactly what you see in your browser. After a successful import, your web page is no longer just a static image. It's a fully editable Figma design. You can now freely adjust text, swap out images, and rearrange layout elements with ease. Leverage Figma's robust design tools, including auto layout and component creation, to refine and customize your imported content. This process gives you an incredibly flexible starting point, whether you're redesigning an existing site, conducting competitive analysis, or building something entirely new from a solid foundation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.